Good day, everyone. I am Peace Efyu, and I will be speaking on an important public health issue, which is maternal health. Maternal health has to do with life and is the health of women during pregnancy, childbirth, and postpartum period. It could also revolve around the health and wellness of women, particularly when they are pregnant, during childbirth and child raising. This healthcare helps in order to ensure a positive and fulfilling experience and to reduce morbidity and mortality rates. There are so many factors affecting morbidity and mortality rates in maternal health, which are malaria, bleeding during pregnancy, hypertension, poverty, ignorance, low socioeconomic status, hemorrhage, HIV and AIDS, abortion and sepsis, obstructed labor, ectopic pregnancy, prolonged labor, and anemia, and traditional beliefs. Some of these factors can be prevented and avoided if registered early for antenatal checkups. What then is antenatal care? Antenatal care is a care you get from health professionals during your pregnancy. It's sometimes called pregnancy care or maternity care. You'll be offered appointments with a midwife or sometimes a doctor who specializes in pregnancy and birth, that's an obstetrician. You should start your antenatal care as soon as possible once you know you're pregnant. You can do this by going into any health center or hospital closer to you. Importance of antenatal care. The importance of antenatal care cannot be understated because it could detect abnormalities and preventable illnesses in mother and child. Expectant parents who have questions surrounding pregnancy should consider joining an antenatal class because of the support, health advice, and guidance it offers. There are several important aspects to antenatal care, and finding the right provider can go a long way to ensuring pregnant moms to be reap the best physical and psychological benefits available. Regular antenatal checkups and weekly classes can help your pregnancy along. If you're still unsure of how prenatal assistance can benefit you and your child, here are a few reasons to help you decide. Screening. Good antenatal care includes regular screening, which can detect and prevent early complications such as hypertension and pregnancy diabetes. Malaria, which can dramatically affect the fetus. Early detection means regular monitoring and treatment. Antenatal screening services will measure heart rate and monitor the baby. Best nutrition. There are certain foods that should be avoided during pregnancy. Foods such as raw fish, undercooked eggs, and unpasteurized or soft cheese, which contain enzymes and proteins that are dangerous to a developing fetus. Foods such as legumes, sweet potatoes, salmon, lean meat, berries, whole grains, fish liver oil, and water should be taken during pregnancy. Your immune system is also working for two, making it more susceptible to bacterial attacks. Important vitamins. Prenatal vitamins play a big part in the health of your child. Even with a healthy diet, you will need supplements due to the additional hard work your body is doing. Additional key nutrients are typically found in folic acid and pregnancy multivitamins, both of which help support neural tube defects, baby development, and the prevention of anemia. Prenatal classes. Being pregnant is wonderful, and it's even better when you meet other expectant parents. Not only do antenatal classes provide the opportunity for friendly support, but you are also educated on the finer points of dealing with pregnancy, how your child is developing, what to expect when you give birth, and how to go about giving your child the best after birth. Look for classes that cover all the labor and birthing options, as well as early baby care. Partners. Your other half may not quite understand the other side of pregnancy, the side where dad comes in. Antenatal care goes a long way to educating expectant fathers on what they can do to help. Some dads-to-be may feel helpless, but they are not, and their roles are big and important. They just need to be shown the way. Many expectant parents are not sure where everyone fits into the initial scheme of things, but a good prenatal care provider can provide guidance. Pregnancy is fun and exciting, and at times hard and exhausting, but there is a great amount of help out there. With antenatal care, you will discuss birthing options, newborn care, breastfeeding, vaccinations, and family planning. Meanwhile, in a traditional birth home, complications like retained placenta, breech delivery, obstruction, antenatal bleeding, and lack of facilities do arise. With no doctor or trained health worker to assist, they end up losing their lives. I have a neighbor who went to a traditional birth home and had prolonged labor, but the midwife there poured Dettol antiseptic into a bowl of water and pumped it in through her anus, as she believed it would quicken the contraction process for the baby to come out. Is that not too harsh for the mother and baby? The baby was born though very weak, and she almost lost him. Meanwhile, if she had gone to the hospital, the health workers would have induced and monitored properly for the baby's self-delivery. Another instance was a woman of 50 years old who during labor dilated up to 4 to 6 cm and her pelvic couldn't open more than that. At this point, the baby has descended, and from scan, the baby weighed 4.5 cm. The doctors pushed the baby in and moved her to the theater for cesarean section. She and the baby came out strong and fine. If it was a traditional birth home, would she have had the facilities for that? Probably she and the baby wouldn't have survived it. Please, mothers and would-be moms, do well to register in health centers or hospitals, for it is a safe place to be. So many things are happening around us. Mothers and babies are passing out each day because of negligence and poor management stroke facility to take care of them during birth. We all need to encourage each other for a better future so that mortality rates will be reduced. Thank you, listeners, for your time and efforts. Please drop your comments in the comment box for more information.